You're listening to Cyber 94 Podcast. If you want to break into cybersecurity with real-life experience, go to cyber94.com.
Chloe, you will not believe the latest name to pop up on a ransomware leak site. It's a giant, LG Energy Solution.
I saw that, Ben. And it's not just any gang. It's Akira, the same group the FBI just issued that updated, very stark warning about.
Right, this is a nightmare scenario playing out in real time.
It really is.
Let's break down the numbers because they are staggering.
Mm.
Akira claims they've exfiltrated 1.7 terabytes of data from LG. For anyone listening, that's not just a few stolen spreadsheets. That is a colossal digital heist.
And Ben, LG's response feels almost unnervingly calm.
Yeah?
They put out a statement confirming an attack on a specific overseas facility, and I'm using air quotes there.
Okay.
They insist the headquarters is fine and the affected plant is operating normally.
It's textbook corporate crisis communication, isn't it?
Totally.
Project calm, minimize the scope, but it completely ignores the ticking time bomb that Akira has set.
Right. That 1.7 terabytes allegedly includes corporate documents and, most chillingly, databases of employee information.
That's the part that gets me. We're not just talking about corporate secrets, which is bad enough.
Yeah.
We're talking about the personal, private data of their workforce. Imagine being an employee and knowing your entire file, your address, your banking details, everything is now a bargaining chip to a gang the FBI says has already extorted nearly $250 million.
It's a profound violation.
And this isn't a random attack. This feels strategic, surgical.
Mm.
The FBI's advisory specifically warned that Akira has been targeting manufacturing companies.
Right.
And this isn't even the first domino to fall in this industry.
Exactly. It's impossible not to connect this to what happened to Varta AG, the German battery maker.
Oh, yeah.
They were hit by a cyber attack last year that knocked their production offline for weeks. These gangs see a massive vulnerability. The entire world is shifting to electric vehicles and renewable energy. And these battery manufacturers are the linchpin of that entire transition.
You're absolutely right. They're no longer just manufacturers. They are critical infrastructure.
Exactly.
An attack on a company like LG Energy Solution, which earned over $17 billion supplying batteries to major car makers, doesn't just impact their bottom line. It can create a ripple effect across the entire automotive supply chain. Think about car production lines grinding to a halt because they can't get the batteries they need.
It's the perfect target. High value, immense pressure to avoid disruption, and a deep well of sensitive data to steal.
Right.
Akira didn't just encrypt some files at a remote factory. They've grabbed a major artery of the global economy and are threatening to squeeze. LG might say things are operating normally, but with that data hanging in the balance, the crisis is far from over.
The facility might be running, but the digital ghost of that stolen data is going to haunt them for a very long time.
Yeah.
It shows that in our hyper-connected world, the biggest threat to a factory might not be a physical one, but a few lines of malicious code sent from halfway across the world.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. As our supply chains become more technologically advanced and interconnected, are we creating single points of failure so critical that an attack on just one company could bring an entire industry to its knees?